Well, now, I got to say, right now I got a potential for a boat. I had to dub this here cotton picker because there's too much wind. Get rid of that stick there. We don't need that right there. What we're looking for is a hollow rock right here. Kind of hollow like a coconut. And right there worked pretty good. This one right here I'm showing you, it's kind of holler inside, so I think it's going to make a real good boat. I guarantee you. Oh, that thing's still heavy. And you know what, Alan? I tell you what, cotton picker, this right here is going to be a first for you two. It's just for you, brother. All right, now we're going to get down for the maiden voyage of this here rock. Remember, this right here is a U2 first. I'm going to chunk her in. We're going to watch her float on top of the water just like she's supposed to. Kaplush. Wait a minute. Where'd you go? I don't believe it. It sunk. I can't believe it. I knew this thing would work. What the heck? What the heck? I don't understand. I'm sorry, Alan. Nope, I don't see it. Well, wait a minute. Wait just a minute, Alan. Guess what? It's a submarine.